Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on 2D shapes. 2D shapes, known as two-dimensional shapes, are flat shapes. Because they have no depth, they are normally referred to as plane shapes. 2D shapes are closed shapes and their sides can be straight or curved. Some of the common 2D shapes are as follows. We've got triangles. There's an equilateral triangle where all the sides and angles are equal. An isosceles triangle where those two sides are equal and the opposite angles are equal. We have right angle triangles where that's a right angle there. There are scalene triangles where all the sides are different and all the angles are different. And we have an acute angle triangle where all the angles are less than 90 degrees. Quadrilaterals. These are four-sided 2D shapes, and there are many different types. Some of the more common ones are as follows. There's the square, and your teachers will talk to you about what all these little strokes here mean. I think it's pretty straightforward, isn't it? They're all 90 degrees. And that means all the sides are equal. There's the rectangle where the opposite sides are equal. So that side is equal to that side is equal to that, and you've got four angles that are 90 degrees. There's the rhombus. Now the rhombus is like a square, but it's sort of been pushed. It's been pushed that way, where all the sides are equal, opposite sides are parallel. And notice these diagonals here, they intersect at 90 degrees. There's a parallelogram. That's like a rectangle that's been pushed across like that, where the opposite sides are parallel. As far as pentagons are concerned, they've got 5 sides. Here's a regular pentagon where all the angles are equal, and there's an irregular pentagon. The hexagons have 6 sides. There's a regular one where all the angles are equal, and here's an irregular hexagon. So they're all examples of 2D shapes. Some of them are regular and some are irregular. 2D shapes with curved sides. Here's our famous circle, semicircle. There's an oval. Here's a combination of a rectangle and a semicircle. Here's another unusual one here where you've got a rectangle and then you've got these two pieces cut out. Here's a very unusual one with, there's a square here and then you've got some curves happening, some special shapes. But notice that they're all closed. Okay, they're not open, they're all closed. Here's another 2D shape here, which is made up of some rectangles, semicircles, squares, triangle. And here's another one. There's a square here and a fraction of a circle there and a fraction of a circle there. So basically the 2D shapes are flat. They can have curves or straight lines or a combination of both.